Hi, it's Dr. Saab, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery for this style Lexus key. Now what you need to do is find the push just here. So you might see that push symbol there, and I think, yeah, you just push here and then you can release the blade. Now I'll put the blade down for now, and all I'm going to do next is actually take this part apart. Now it looks like I'm going to break it, but that's normal. So that's what I'm supposed to do. I can leave that there. And now I can release the battery, and there's a little clip, and I think this is where you might need like a tool, or you can just do it with my fingernail. And I can now release this part. And there's the battery. So this one is a CR2032. If you're not sure what your battery type is, just double check with your Lexus dealership or check the manual, and it might be in there. Now if I do that, that actually releases the battery, and all I'll need to do is get a new battery, put it in like so, and then all I'll do next is put this on, and the arrow I think either goes here or there. There we go, that's fitted in nicely. And then all I'll do is put this piece back on like so, push it on, there we go, that's fitted on, and then put the blade back into here, hit the clip, and there we go, that's now fitted. And I can just give that a pull, and if I press one of the switches, there's no light on this one, so let's test this in the car. Here's the Lexus. If I press one of these switches, yeah, that's working a treat. Now you might get a message on your screen here saying replace key battery or something like that, and that's just warning you that the battery on your key is probably a bit low. Oh look, there is the LED light. So there's the LED light, so you can see I can see that, just as another way to test that the battery replacement has worked. Now a couple of top tips. I recommend you use a premium battery. Also, when you have a major service for your car, take both keys and the technician will replace the batteries in each key. Also, once a month, just swap the keys round so both keys are being used. Otherwise, the battery of the key that's not used often may die sooner. So another top tip, there's actually a slot at the end of the actual key, and you can put the blade into that slot, and then if you rotate the actual key, you'll be able to open up the actual key fob. Now, your key might be designed similar to this instead of what I've showed you earlier. And if it is, all you need to do is make sure the board goes into the correct position, and then you can take the battery out with either your nail or maybe a small screwdriver or the blade of the key. Then replace the battery and then put the cover back on. Please subscribe, as it helps me and the channel grow and create even more content. Please like this video. Also comment if you have any suggestions or questions. Check out the Lexus playlist for more videos. Thanks for watching.